In 1973, Tormek pioneered the concept of jig-controlled, water-cooled sharpening. Over the years, we've continually developed innovative new attachments and techniques. We have strived to constantly improve each and every component of the system, while maintaining compatibility with existing machines. The new Tormek T7 features our latest innovation, the SE76 Square Edge Jig. It automatically lines up the tool precisely 90 degrees to the grindstone every time. Perfect alignment to the grindstone ensures perfectly square edges on your tools. The unique composition of the Tormek grindstone gives you two different cutting actions. To restore the shape on a tool, grade the grindstone with the coarse side of the SP650 stone grater. The grindstone will now cut quickly, but it will leave a fairly coarse scratch pattern on the tool. To refine the surface of the bevel, use the fine side of the stone grater, which is now part of the standard T7 package. In just a few seconds of grinding, your tool is ready for final honing on the leather honing wheel. Also part of the standard T7 package is the TT50 diamond truing tool, which recuts your grindstone parallel with the universal support and perfectly round. This most recent version of the truing tool features a screw feed mechanism and the ability to precisely control the depth of the truing cut. Tormek works to strict manufacturing tolerances and uses only top quality components, giving us the confidence to stand behind the T7 with a rock-solid warranty for 7 years of either private or commercial use. The T7 standard package also includes the Pro Anglemaster Setup Guide, honing compound for the leather honing wheel, a hardcover 155-page owner's handbook, an instructional DVD, and a packing tray that can be mounted to the wall or used as a drawer liner for permanent accessory storage. There's a lot more to learn about the Tormek T7, such as the range of available jigs and accessories for all sorts of woodworking, wood turning, wood carving, household, and gardening tools. Visit our website or ask your local Tormek dealer for more details.